Alright boys, so so this is after drift event. Car came in one piece. Grateful. I lost under panel and I was kind of like a little sad about it, but the piece is not even broken. It just came off. I don't know how that happened, even though it's bolted nut, but I'll mount it up nice again, no problem. We got some D-Max came in. This is like strong plated here, so it doesn't lip out. And then I got new lock. Even came from Japan. Real stuff. You know, I don't mess around with this stuff, so because I try and drive this on the street. One thing I want is stuck because the 25 years old parts broke, so I don't want that, so I'm putting everything new. Today what we are going to do is I was kind of like wanting to take a break for like at least 1 week, do nothing on the cars, but you know, I'm thinking to get this car painted by next event, and to do that I have to get going because we only have so much time. Probably most likely send it to one of my boys to get it done because I don't have all the hustling in me again. But he's really great guy, and you know, I have faith in him to take care of it. So probably that's what we're gonna be doing. Well, now so what we can do here is we're gonna put the over fender. As you can see, the fitment is stick out too much. So that will fix it by putting an over fender. As you know, this is an aggressive kit we put on, so we don't mind all the dirt and stuff. But you know, the rear need to become wider. So we have an over fender. We're gonna put it on. We're gonna cut the quarter, unfortunately, but that's what we gotta do. But that's what we're gonna be doing today. Alright boys, so today what we are going to do is working on this car, making it better. So I want to get painted for next event, but you know, I'm not gonna do it. If I'm doing it, I'm gonna have someone do it because it's getting cold and you know. But anyway, what we're doing here is we're gonna finish welding this up. So we're gonna finish welding this, mount this thingy on. We had to like little modify here so the gas door opens. We got new hardware, stuff like that. And then also, very easy fix. We had this thing broke even though it was brand new. So I don't want to use the gauge anymore because it just fell off. So we have the sensors. But if you really look close here, let me put the light on. You know, it's too close to the wall. So I got this elbow, so it's gonna be elbow here, and the sensor gonna come right here, so we can put the wires on. So that easy stuff I'm gonna do, and my friend coming over and help us out. So hopefully we get some stuff done today.
HVAC.
What the fuck is this?
Sheesh, this guy is cracked out.
Laying some cock.
Hey, look at these two HVAC guys.
Right?
We got him,
And we got the new HVAC guy.
This is a brand new guy over here.
Brand new.
Pretty useless, I guess, right?
Yeah. Just a helper.
Yeah, this guy is cracked. Pretty nice. Very nice and neat though, this one. Nice.
really taking my time here. It's like I'm making a cake.
No rush.
Yeah, no rush.
The shit dries fast.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. That thing is like $20. How?
For what?
The cock.
You need it to fucking. You need cock to fucking seal the seams, alright?
Yeah, alright. Well, hopefully no more smoke coming inside. I hope.
Make sure you get the little slices underneath.
Slice and dice.
Mmm.
Pretty nice. Time for this side now. Time for this side. Good enough. Good enough.
can't hear you.
How is that thing? Pretty
It's like this
dialed?
guy knows what he's doing or something.
Call me for all your talking needs.
Yep, get him up.
Hold it.
So they won't rust at all.
Yeah, just paint that blue. Like it. Looking nice.
Well, you're gonna have to paint a little part. You're gonna have to paint mirrors at some point.
Pretty sick. Nice.
You got more to do. Have Will film.
Yeah, you hold that shit.
I'll do it.
How is that thing? Looking pretty sick. Pretty sick, check it out.
Probably need one up here and one up here.
Looking dialed. 55 millimeters.
55. Guys, fucking. Origins are rotting away. Who'd you order these from? GoGo?
Yeah, what do you think about him?
GoGo is cracked. That guy is.
He's crack, he said. Right, almost done
GoGo
on
sent
this
this guy
side.
the wrong fenders.
Sorry, he's getting me right.
Yeah, he's the best. Alright, getting the sticker out. No more sponsorship.
This one's not coming off.
Yeah, we got the back done.
No more new school vinyl.
This thing is nice. Yeah, this is nice actually. This thing fucks.
Let's see, let's see.
No more stickers.
Come over here.
Oh baby. Oh, it opens.
We spent like 2 hours trying to get this to work, and now it just works.
That's just crazy. Blow my mind, but it works. Get rid of all these stickers. Nice, but
Nice, but not yours.
yeah, not mine, unfortunately. This side is mounted too, but it doesn't fit good.
Yeah,
over
Origin
here.
sucks.
This side is good, though. Oh, it wasn't because of gas door, but we need some minor work. Nothing crazy. We fix the windows too. Wingless or wing on?
Oh, you need the wing.
Yeah, definitely need a wing on this. Yep. Looking good. Alright boys, so I fixed that so it doesn't leak anymore, you know, and we just gotta wire that so that way I have the fuel sensors ready to go, and that's good. You put this side on, it fits amazing, it really changed the car. Definitely need the spacers and make sure it doesn't have no camber so it doesn't wear the tires out, but that's for another time. We already sealed it this side, just need to put the fender on. But, oh, and we strip all the sticker out, get ready to paint. So, I'm thinking to get this thing painted soon. I don't think I'm gonna do it because it's cold, and every time when I come home it's like dark already, so don't really have time to do before, unless, you know, but we'll see. You know, I trying to get this painted before the event, that would be nice. But we'll see, hopefully I can make it. So yeah, that's for another time. I see you tomorrow. Alright boys, so thank you everybody for tuning in today's video. And if you guys like this video, give me a subscribe, give me a comments, give me a likes, and I will see you on next video. Have a good day.